This is our project saline drip monitoring system. This is basically we have infusions connected to the saline. So what happens majority of the time, the liquid that is the saline, when it gets over, the blood reflows into the wire. To avoid this, we have made this automatic IV arrangement which uses IoT and transmits the signal as soon as the saline gets over to the nurse so that it can get replaced, and also it will generate a buzzer. Now this system has a buzzer over here. This is totally replaceable and washable system, so you can use it multiple times. It also has a biocompatible float inside. uh, Basically this it is a double sensor system, so in case the float sensor doesn't give correct readings, there is also a drop measurement system, that is there is an infrared transmitter and LDR receiver on the other side. So what happens if happens is, drop by drop the liquid is falling, the sensor is taking out the readings and calculating its frequency. Now the entire circuit operation is achieved with the help of T1 Mini, which is Arduino prototype. Now this controller takes the analog input from the LDR as well as digital input from the float sensor. Now when the liquid is full, the float sensor is on the top, as as the liquid goes down, this float sensor moves down. Along with that, there is also a power backup. So the entire circuit is powered with a portable battery. This is how the float sensor works. And when there is a mechanism to stop the reverse flow, as soon as the liquid goes down, so what happens is, as soon as the liquid goes down fully, either the float sensor or one of the two sensors, anything, shows the liquid empty, it generates an SMS to the internet on the website, as well as it will start making a buzzer sound. And within a particular delay, if nothing happens and still the sensor reading is low, like nothing happens means if the nurse doesn't reach on time, and still the sensor reading is low, it will turn off the wire using this servo arrangement. So this servo arrangement will automatically rotate, and this is how it allows or avoids any backflow of the blood into the IV. That's the complete operation of this project. Thank you.